Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nit Manas. So friends, we'll continue that series Vue.js e-commerce using Vue.js as front-end and laravel as backend. So in the previous video, we'll just set up that front part of showing the data of product section. So in this video, we'll going to the creating the new product and updating the previous one, right? So just going to the and the source code you will get from the website source code. Just click on the source code tab and scroll down whatever the code you are on, just click on that link and make sure that the username of your github id should be correct as per your github id, so that the link will be sent to the email which is linked to that username, right? Yes, now just put it down. Now we have to this update product in the admin section. The update product should be go to the view product view view product function, right? So before this, we'll create the function. Mm, Click function view update product. Sorry, view product. It is name of the function view product, right? So in the view product, firstly we have that id is equal to 0. Now we have both of the we have the both cases, like in the first one, where we have id is equal to 0. This means this is the new product. And another case we have where id is equal to, let's suppose it should be 1 comma 2 comma 3. It means that we are updating the previous product, updating the product, right? So these two cases we have. So when we have the new product, like we are creating the new product, then we have id is equal to 0. Otherwise we have the id which is passing dynamically through this id. So now perhaps of product we also have another data like category, brand, color, text, size. So step by step I will get that data as well. So category is equal to category get category. Now after that, brand, color, size, text. Category, brand, mm, brand from brand, size, size from size, size model, right? After the size we have it. I think we should write text first, because text will go inside the product section. Size and color are the attribute part, right? So I will write color, and after that size and size. Just make it format, right? So after that, we'll make a condition if $i is equal to 0. That means it is a new product, else all product. So when we have the new product, I will write it as $data is equal to new product. So inside the product section we have also the product one is the product is this. Then we have product attributes, product attrs, and product attr images, right? This is the product section. This is the product attribute section, right? Now after that, we also have product attrs, mm, product attr, and product attr images, product attr, product attributes, product section. So now, while we are getting the category, I think we also send the product attribute with that. So we'll see how we can achieve that. But before that, I will write product underscore attr is equal to new product attr. Now product attr images, product attr underscore images. So product attr images, right? So why I am writing new over here? So basically, what does that mean? So when we are fetching the data, like there are two cases basically. When we are fetching the new data, uh, yes. So uh, when we are fetching the new data, here that product and product attribute should be considered as new, because when we are fetching the data of data, that is equivalent to so while getting the data name, name of the product, name of the slug of the product, keywords of the product. So we will write as we will write it as like dollar data inside name. So this will work in the both of the cases while we are creating a new product, or while we are updating the old one. Like it is actually work in the both of the cases. When the product is new, so it will shows us the name as blank, like null, right? But when we have a data, then it will show the name of the product like this one, right? So it will work in the both of the cases. I think we don't need these product attr and product images over here. So yes, I think we don't need this. So in our product section, I will write it as data. Now there is one more thing, that we also have to validate the ID which we are getting, so that the data it should not like throw an error that data ID not found in the database, right? So validator, mm, validator, validator make dollar data, so inside data there is ID which we have to validate, and the rules of the validation should be the required. Another one, it should be, so this is the most important validation, that it should be exist in our products table, which what should be the name of the column is ID. So basically this is the important that while we are validating the product ID, so that it should exist in our products table with the name of column ID, right? After that we are able to fetch the data of this, like product attributes, product product attributes, product attribute images, and all that data, right? So now, if that validation fails, uh, if dollar validation fails, right? So if this validation fails, we'll move to this. Otherwise, we'll fetching the other data like attributes and all that. So I will return redirect back. So in the else part, we'll also get another data like product where id is equivalent to $id. Now we have to create a functions with the name of attribute and product attribute. So basically these both are different. I will tell you how. Product attribute, as we already discussed that the attribute is where we are using to filter the product, which is like if I am having a laptop, the processor of the laptop i7 i9, it does it have a touch screen, yes or no, and does it has a backlight in the keyboard, yes or no. So basically these are the attributes which are linked to this, and the product attributes are like SKU number, the size, the color of the product, the product length, height, length, height, breadth, weight of the product, right? So let us first product, we only need one product. So first, now we have to create function with these attributes and at product attributes name, right? So simply go to the model, product model, go to product models and product.php. Before this, I will just copy these name attributes and product attributes. Also, we have to write it product protected failable properties. So we'll write it later. Firstly, we'll create the function with the name of attribute, and so how does this work? Has many and has one. Just simply go to the website and search has many one-to-one relationship. So this is how it works. We already have the foreign key in our database. Now we have to let's use it like this. A product has many attributes and product has many product ATTRs and product attributes, like as we are using as usual. So I will copy this one and paste it over here, right? So this has many. Name of the model, our model name should be product attributes, right? So inside this product attribute, the name that we the column name that we are sending is, sorry, the column name that is exist in this model table, which is product underscore id, and the column name which we are sending is id, right? That means we are sending the id to this attribute and this product attribute same, right? So the second argument is that what we are sending, and the first argument is in which table, sorry, the column name which we are sending to this table, like the column name is product underscore id in the product attributes table. So yes, this one is product id. So where it exists product id, it will shows us all the value, right? So another column, sorry, another function we have to make, which should be product attribute, and it should be comes from product attr, right? We also sending the same product id and with id. Now we also have product images. If we recognize that product attr images, but it should also have product attr images as well, right? So we'll do same using the with part inside this model, right? So with images, save this. Now we have to create another function inside this product attr model. So I will just copy this with the name of images, product attr, this, and now we have to create a function name of images and images. But now what we are sending over here, we sorry, the column name that matches that matches to this table is product attr underscore id, right? And what we are sending id. So just remove this, right? Why we are sending id? This means mm, we are getting with yes. Now from the product attr table, inside this table the id we are sending to this images, right? So just show let me show you what we are trying to do over here. Echo p int underscore r die dollar data. Let me show you. Open link in new tab and open link in new tab. So basically this is update product with 1, this is update product with 0. But why it is not showing anything? If id is equal to 0, then the data should be new product. Okay, actually let's remove this after this. Yes, now this is basically this is the data when we are creating the new product. This is the data where we are updating the old product, right? So firstly we just looking into the new product thing. I will also write data to array. Refresh. No, you will not get it properly. Save this and refresh. Now it will actually returns the empty object of the product. So if you are looking, it actually returns the basically it returns the empty model of the product. So when we are trying to like fetch the data name, right, it does not show the error, as it only shows the null value, empty value over here, right? So it will works in both of the sections. Like when I'm trying to get the data name, so here when we are updating the data it will show test, but when we are creating the data it will show the null value, but it doesn't show the uh, error, basically that the id does not found, or error. So basically key value does not exist, because we are actually here we are assigning the new product properties into this dollar data while we are fetching the old details. We are getting the details from this, right? So right now I will show you the data, original data, right? So you can see that the id, name, image we don't see image, item code, keywords, description, category, id, brand ID, tax ID, and after that it creates an array with the name of attribute, and it also creates an array with the name of product attribute. If we have the product attribute uh, like if we have product attribute like values, then we also have the product attribute images also, right? As this initial array is empty, that's why it doesn't show the product attribute images. So basically this I actually want to show you that when we are using that relationship ORM like this one, or like one to many or has many relationship, so it will creates an array with the single data, right? Like this, like it will create all the, firstly this is the data of product, and after that product attribute and product attribute and attribute like this, right? So this is the basic thing that actually I want to show you. So in the next video we'll continue with the updating the form. So hope you like this video. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.